Navigate to Customer module, then add Individual. Click the Retrieve Myinfo with Singpass button. A Singpass login QR code will appear, and the hirer would have to scan the QR code with their device. The list of information that will be retrieved from Singpass will be shown. Click on I agree to proceed. The hirer's information will be populated in the respective fields. Do note some information retrieved from Singpass cannot be edited. The user can also toggle the As Driver button if the hirer is also the driver. License details will also be available if the hirer owns a driving license. To insert address to Fleetnetics, click on the plus button under the Address Details section. Then click on the check button to apply the address to the customer profile. The user may enter manually into the remaining fields as usual. Scroll to the bottom, and click on the Save button to finish the process. Retrieve Myinfo with Singpass is also available for Edit Individual Customer, Add Driver, and Edit Driver.